Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite, or you call me Akajigo. I'm an ancient high priest today, and also a priest in Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today's topic, power of gratitude. I'm here to tell you that gratitude is a key in creation. Gratitude is the only thing you can use to please Chukwu to show that you are happy. Note, the spirit does not have flesh. Therefore, whatever living thing, like animals, you are taking to your pastor, you are taking to your spiritualist to show appreciation, does not mean that the spirits are the ones eating those flesh animals. Animals, those blood sacrifices, those animals is for to nourish the body of the living. I can tell you that gene ọkụkọ is not Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe na-eri gene ọkụkọ. Yes, those gene ọkụkọ is for the living. So what Chukwu Okike creation is looking from you is the gratitude for the innermost heart. That gratitude, one Igbo adage says, and I quote, na-ekele nwaanyị na-agwa akịdị ike adị agwọta ọzọ. You must learn the power of gratitude. In today's lecture, I will teach you the importance of gratitude, because gratitude is a key in creation. Before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. We are in the month of March, the third month according to Roman calendar. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are. This morning I have gone to the temple to make sacrifices, pray, and rituals upon the lives of those that join us all over the globe. Remember, in what we do in the temple, distance is never a barrier. Yes. We continue doing these prayers till the last day of the month. We go to the river to pray. Then come back to temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers. So if you want to partake in this our group rituals, what you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests, we place it in the altar. Yes, my WhatsApp number remains 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243871. Look on your screen, you will see these numbers. So if you have any question in today's lecture, still send it via these numbers. Now let's proceed. Today's topic is power of gratitude. I'm here to tell you, Igbo language says, naanị otito ka Chukwu na-eri, naanị otito ka ụmụ mmụọ na-eri. Gratitude, that is the only thing they require from you. They don't require those animals. Those animals you are offering is to show the gratitude within you. It's just to show appreciation. You know that from time to time, people used to take some animals, name them rams, cow, to visit whoever they have benefited from. That rich man you took your ram to or your cow to, it not necessarily means that that rich man will slaughter those rams or those cows. No. There at the spot, he can give it out to another person. But what is important to that person is that remembrance. Because for you to show gratitude, you must felt this inner joy. Joy must have overwhelmed you for what you have benefited from the spirits or whoever, for you to thought it wise to get one or two to show appreciation. What is important is ncheta. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu sị na ọgọ na-adị mma ma onye emelụ cheta. Remember why one of the things Jesus said in the Bible, to celebrate a widow, a popular word we still use today. They call it widow's mite. And now, Jesus pinpointed that particular woman, saying that that woman gave from what she has, the purest heart. Very important. That is gratitude. Some people give from the abundance they have. Maybe some of us used to even give such things to people. Like, just take this and go. Go. That thing you gave is meaningless, because it's not given from the within. I remember those days that my grandmother was still alive. Whenever I visited her, those days now, what I normally give to her, maybe 500 or 1,000 naira, she will begin to dance. Say, after dancing, she will say, they used to call me Wapo, then Paul. Yes, she loves me so much. You know, I say, no, my son, you will not go. You will see her running header skater. Either you look for orange, you look for mango, or look for pears and rest of them. Or you must make sure that I go with something to strike a balance, to show happiness. Do you know what this? If I go to Onitsha, where I was living then, he will be telling her children that Paul visited. Look at what he gave to me. Even my mother, whenever my mother visited her again in the village, he will still tell my mother what I gave to her. If he sees my mother's sister, he will still tell the same. They always say, Mama told me what he gave to her. You see, all her children must hear it. That is gratitude. That is gratitude to the earnest. Honestly, that is gratitude. So, I'm asking you, many people have come across you in life and they have showed love. See, without love, you can't show gratitude. It must be overwhelmed of what you benefited from this person. It will now touches you to show, oh, I really appreciate. Even your tone, even your body language will show that you overwhelmed. That is gratitude. But the problem we are having this generation is that the attitude of gratitude is no longer there. And that is the basic need we human beings need. Like I told you before, the spirit does not eat animals. Those animals with nutrients and vitamins is not necessary, because spirit does not have flesh. Therefore, the spirit does not need nutrients and vitamins to function. It's only for the living. We that lives in the gross material world, we have flesh and blood running in our veins. That's why we need those nutrients and vitamins to sustain our earthly life. But the spirit does not need it, because the body they have does not contain blood and water. That is why a spirit can visit you inside your room even when your room is locked. Because what the person is wearing at that particular time is what we call the exterior body. The exterior body will look like this because it's a prototype body. You look exactly the way you know the person in the life when the person was alive. If the person visits you, the person will still look the same way. Because what the person is wearing is the prototype body known as exterior body. So, but this particular body is not gross material body. It does not contain blood and flesh and water. Therefore, the person can penetrate the inside their room even when the rooms are locked. So, therefore, even we ordinary people that is saying we are offering sacrifices to our chi, to the chi, believe in me, those our chi and the chi does not eat those flesh. What gratifies them is that gratitude. Oh, sim nwam o ichetalam. Kan cheta ichetam ta. Let whatever that is your heart desires be granted. Yes, that gratitude, that is very important. So when he said, Chono, I'm feeding you today, my guardian angel, I'm offering these sacrifices to you, it gladdens the spirit's heart. It's not that the spirit will eat that animals you slaughtered. No, it's meant for the living people that comes around to celebrate with you. And they are the one that will feast on that animals. The spirit does not eat, doesn't need those things. But however, the spirit will feel recognized because you show gratitude. Let me use myself as an example. I know people do give me eatable things as gifts. Yes, people that have benefited in one way via the God's grace have gifted me so many things. Yes, some used to give clothes and then these animals. Every Sunday, I used to preside over the place of worship at the name. Some people used to come with yams, chickens, and everything. I will collect it and bless them. I'm very grateful. Some of those things, I will give it out. In my house, I don't drink, I don't take alcohol. I can only take pure wine, like communion wine. But minus that one, people used to. One of my friends from America gave me a wine last December that worth up to 400,000 naira. I'll still give it out to some of my friends whenever they visit. But I'm very happy for the fact that Eze-Ana, he told me that he bought this particular drink from US for me. So I'm so happy for the fact that he remembered me. You understand? Yes, he bought other items. I don't need to mention them now. Gifted me last December. Now, the same thing, some people used to come to my house with those big chicken that can't even find it difficult to work. I accepted it, but I don't eat those things. I will say gift it out. So what I'm saying, but for me, I feel so happy that the person remembered me. And I will pray and ask Chukwuoke to bless this person for remembering me. That is enough. So your chi and your ancestors to your offering sacrifices, they are not the one eating it though. But they feel so happy that you remember them. They will even be celebrating in the world of spirits that my children remembered me. My son remembered me. That is their happiness. And they will pray that wherever, since you remember them, wherever you get that money you use to get all those things, that account will never dry. That will keep seeing money. They will bless you. The same way when you show appreciation to Chukwuoke to other entities or powers, they will say, oh my son, you remember us, you remember me. May your pocket never go dry. They will bless you for remembering them. But it's not as if they are eating, but they will feel so happy. That's why I'm telling you the power of gratitude. Even we human beings. When was the last time you celebrated someone that gave you money? You know what surprised me? There is this particular someone I met on social media. She used to follow me. And one day she put to bed. And to my greatest surprise, I said, okay. I asked her to send the account number. I sent some money. That's not too big money. I sent small money to her. She was so happy to the extent that she bought some incense and some of these small things, and they packaged it and waved it to me. I was so amazed. I was like, this is the first person I have ever given money on social media that came to say appreciation. He waved me those things. I really appreciate. And from that day going forward, I keep giving from time to time. So what am I saying? Appreciation. So why your prayers has not been answered is that you have not been showing gratitude for what you have been receiving all this while. Igbo Ada says no, ekene onye na nke o mere ike adị ya also. Meaning, if you thank someone that's killed a small rat. If you press him, if you see elephant, the person will kill. So that is the key. So what I'm telling you, that you are the only one that is stopping yourself. Nobody is stopping you. You are stopping yourself because you refuse to recognize the keys in creation. And I am here to tell you that gratitude is one of the keys necessary for the human development in this gross material world. You must learn the attitude of appreciating any good you receive from the spirit and the humans, because the spirit one cannot bless you directly without using human being to bless you. For me, whoever that's benefited from me in one way or the other and show appreciation, believe in me, I keep praying and I keep giving to that person. Remember the word in the Bible, in the book of Matthew, where Jesus now healed some people, and only one of them returned back to thank him. He now said, is it not 10 people that I healed? Where are the remaining 9? To show you that even called ones expecting gratitude for you to say thank you. You remember the story of Cain and Abel. They wanted to offer sacrifices to Chukwu Okike to show gratitude. Abel, being a hunter, went and looked for the fattest animal to offer to Chukwu Okike out of love, out of genuine gratitude. And Chukwu Okike accepted. Believe in me, Chukwu Okike did not eat those animals, but that for the fact that you looked for the fattest one pleases him and he blesses him more. But Abel, Cain, went and looked for the roast yam. That is what he selected, thinking that he's deceiving God. I don't know what you are passing through, but what I can tell you, learn today to show appreciation to even your customers, to people that are good to you. Believe in me, people will see you as someone with good heart, and believe in me, goodness will never depart from you, because whoever you come across, you will be a blessing to the person, because the person will see you as someone with good heart. Believe in me, the person will not cease giving you things. But the problem of nowadays is that people don't even appreciate. If you give somebody little thing, he says it's this small thing, and on a body copy or gonna cheta. And when the person did not appreciate it, next time you will not be able to do again. Let me stop here, but note, gratitude is a key. If you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, you see my number on the screen, 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ihe siri m ike. Ka Chineke na-apụghị. Ezi m ụzọ ndị esi lugbo ya. N'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike. Na Chineke emewere m ya. May the blessings of Chukwu be with you all now and forevermore. And that's it.